never mind. Hopefully you enjoy yourselves up there anyway. Some good facilities here for you as well. I think we've even got a potty there for you. If you finish talking it, you can actually drop one or have another one and have yourself a great day. Locked and loaded for the juniors here today. Away goes Riley Slack. The person with the slow last name but the fast driving ability in the 144 car. 138 next as well. Laser Wells in the Toyota Coffee time. He was looking at 89 driver now is the 22 driver Damien in. He's having a good old fashioned thrash in the Wayne McCarthy Commodore. Coming to grips with it. Oh, a little bit ugly out of four. Just about looked at the concrete. Thankfully he didn't hit it. Wheeler in the 27 car. Here comes Bray Taylor in 05. Intervention before this 234 Marley. So yeah, Jordan Kimber in the prelude there leading the rear of the field at the moment, but I'm thinking he's going to try and work his way through. Make no bones about it. Here comes Riley Slack in the Altezza. The 144 car right behind him is Fraser Wells trying to get up to and past that little machine down the back straight. Oh, Wells just overturns himself down the turn number 2. Manages to ride along the tyres but gets back onto the track, which is great stuff. 27 is Willer. Here's the 05 of Bray Taylor, really starting to get himself into pace now. Just not quite on the pace here for some reason, but 89 is Damien. Oh, round goes 27. Oh my goodness gracious me. How was he not collected? Outstanding stuff.
Holy shit.
Well, Isaac Willer had better buy a ginger beer for the 22 driver, which is Damien. He has just saved a lot of panel damage between himself. Goodness gracious me, that was outstanding. All right, let's get back to it though. The white flag is out for the 144 car. Fraser Wells in 138 in second spot. Bray Taylor in 05 trying so hard to move up on position. That big Holden Commodore, he's driving that thing so beautifully. Bray Taylor just not at the front of the field like the rest of the team, but take nothing away from the young fella. He's driving the wheels off as the chicken flag comes out for Riley Slack. Fraser Wells will come through the second place. What a mature drive there from Bray Taylor in the 05. He could have got bumpy and scrapey, but he just sat back and drove sensibly. Points are certainly going to be his at the end of the season. 78 is Kimber.